Hey everybody, we're here in Xingyi. We just rented ourselves some scooters and we are gonna go around this awesome park to go see some of the mountains up top. So follow along as we go check out this awesome park here in Xingyi on our scooters. We just stopped for a little pit stop so we could get this beautiful view here. We are having a blast on our little scooters and we're headed up the mountain so that David can get up there and get some pretty cool drone shots for us. So beautiful day, the sun came out and we're just super excited. So follow us along up the mountain as we go try out the drone.
It's a beautiful day today.
All right, David, what are we doing now?
Okay, we're gonna go manual mode. I flew around in sport mode for just a little bit and I should probably have picked a flat spot to do this in, but if we crash, it's going to be a pretty spectacular crash. So, see what happens.
Here we go. Manual mode, first time ever.
Go upside down.
Hello.
I'll be like you go upside.
Hey everyone, welcome. We are here just to pause real quick to kind of comment a little bit on the drone flying, his FPV, trying it out for our first time. So David, tell us a little bit what it was like to fly the FPV drone for the first time.
I had a lot of fun flying this FPV drone. This is it right here. Good news is I didn't crash it. That was a lot of fun. I got some pretty good shots in Xingyi. And unfortunately, I had a lot of issues with transmission and signal. Obviously, it's because of the mountains. Every time I'd go between a mountain, I'd lose signal. And with that said, I got to find out about the DJI features built into the drone. So basically, if you lose signal, you would just stop and then return home, which is very nice. Unfortunately, I didn't get to do all the FPV shots that you're used to seeing, like going upside down and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think those will soon follow here once we get more familiar. I think David had high expectations, or just expectations of what this first flight would be like. And although we didn't get some of those aerial shots, those maneuvers that he was hoping to, we did get to explore some of the functions and features of this FPV drone, which was kind of, I think, interesting for you, and just a little bit different of a flight. Yeah.
Yeah, if you look at this shot here in Xingyi, I'm about to go right through a pass, and then I lose reception, and the drone stops, and then it comes back. It was actually kind of funny. We were flying right through the canyon, and the last thing I see in my goggles is we're pointing downwards, facing a mountain, and then it goes black. And I'm thinking, I just crashed the drone. Like, it must be, in a mountain right now or something.
It was a warm, sunny day in Xingyi, but David was sweating big time. He thought for sure the first time it was gone, and we didn't get it. All we heard was
nothing
transition.
in the goggles. Nothing in the goggles at all.
But we got to find out that
3 minutes later, I hear it overhead, and it comes back home. It comes back home to me. So
it's a cool feature, cool, just kind of exploration here on that, and the way that it has this return to home mode.
Yeah,
that was pretty spectacular. So
today we took it out. It wasn't a great day for filming, but we took it out. I got in a good position where I could get line of sight, no mountains or anything like that, and I got some good aerobatics in and everything. So I'm going to keep continuing to improve my skill and have fun with it. But again, that's why in Xingyi I couldn't get great shots. I think next time maybe I'll find higher ground, and that way I could have better line of sight from my headset to the drone. Yeah, we'll see.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for pausing here real quick so we could comment here a little bit about our first flight on the FPV drone here. So anyway, follow along with us as we wrap up this vlog.
All right, take care. Thank you.
Hey everyone, what's going on? It is a bright and early morning here in Xingyi. Right behind me is David's flight. He's getting ready back there, and we'll be boarding here soon to fly back to Chongqing. We had a beautiful and wonderful day yesterday here in Xingyi, and we were so excited we got to come out here and take advantage of David's trip here in Xingyi. So yeah, we hope you had fun following us along, and we just are really happy that we got to share this little trip with you. So anyway, behind me are the beautiful mountains here in Xingyi with the gorgeous sunrise coming up from those. So anyway, it was wonderful, and we hope to see you on the next one.